Unit 3A, Triangles, Day 4, Part 2. Okay, the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem happens to be true, and what it says is that if two angles of a triangle are congruent, if two angles of a triangle are congruent, for example, angles B and C, then the sides opposite those angles are congruent. So, if angle B is congruent to angle C, that is our hypothesis, that is our P, then segment AB is congruent to segment AC. Okay, carrying on, find each angle measure and justify each step. Well, what is given to us is ED is congruent to EF, and angle E is 22 degrees. Because of the isosceles triangle theorem, we know that angle D is congruent to angle F. Angle D is congruent to angle F by the isosceles triangle theorem. We also know that angle D plus angle E plus angle F equal 180 degrees, right? Angle E is 22 degrees because that is given to us. If we subtract 22 from both sides, angle D plus angle F equal 180 minus 22. That should probably be 158. Because angle D and angle F are congruent, I can divide 158 by 2, and when I divide angle 158 by 2, I get angle F is equal to half of 158, which might be 79 degrees. How can I check and see whether I'm right? Well, let's see. 79 plus 79 plus 22. 9 and 9 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Carry 2. 2 and 7 is 9, and 7 is 16. 2 more is 18. We are right, and we can prove it. One more problem. What's the measure of angle G? Well, we know that GH is congruent to JH. So what that means is angle J is congruent to angle G. Again, by the Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay. So that's going to mean that x plus 44 degrees is equal to 3x. Now I subtract x from both sides. That will leave me with 44 degrees is equal to 2x. Well, if 2x equals 44 degrees, what does 1x equal? 1x is going to equal 22 degrees. Am I done? Oh, no. Why not? Because I have to find the measure of angle G. Measure of angle G is equal to x plus 44 degrees. 22 plus 44 degrees equals 66 degrees. Good for us. We're done.